Well, hello, I'm Jason.
I'm Victoria.
She's redheaded. This is Cooking with Red.
Yeah.
This is just everyday cooking. Y'all come along and join us. We're gonna cook some steaks, some asparagus, and we got some trimmings over here for a salad.
We got some cucumbers, we got onions,
And we're gonna
we
work.
got peppers, we got olives, and we got another kind of pepper.
That's right. We got some homemade garlic butter stuff we're gonna put on these steaks also with some Running Wild steak seasoning. We come across that. We ain't sponsored by them or nothing, but it's just good seasoning. We're gonna
Very, very good.
very
seasoning.
good. We're gonna give these things a coat.
Pretty much every steak we use, we put a good bit of this any kind of steak. What's a lot?
You gotta cut them good, baby.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yes. Yes.
They're gonna get both sides.
Both of them. Because we get both sides, it tastes delicious.
That's right. Here, I tell you what. Why don't you do that one?
Okay. Never done this before. Yay, I get to do it. I think we're almost out of this. Seasoning.
Yep. I'm gonna flip it over.
Flip 'em.
Do the other side.
This is going to be my delicious steak that has lots of fat. As we know it.
That marbling makes some things taste good, don't it?
Yeah. I really like the fat. It tastes very good to me. That's like my favorite part of the steak.
These are just some good old ribeyes we picked up.
Yeah. We
At the
literally
grocery
got them
store.
today at Food Depot. Not
That's
sponsored by that either.
Nope.
We're not sponsored
Just
by
everyday
anything.
cooking for us.
We're not sponsored by
Everything's
anything.
seasoned up. We're gonna give that grill just a little bit warm up, and we're gonna put these things on the grill. Y'all come back and see us. All right, we're gonna put this asparagus on the grill.
Asparagus.
Asparagus. It's good stuff, ain't it, baby?
Yes, asparagus is delicious. And especially the part without the top part. I just don't care for the top part.
We've got some
Little fuzzy that
garlic butter with some Parmesan that we get made up. We'll brush some of that on here in a bit.
Yep. Brush it, brush it, brush it, brush it. I'll let you go. I need to make my asparagus nice and seasoned with liquid.
Them steaks ain't gonna take that long, so that's why we're gonna put this on first.
It's gonna take a bit.
Let that cook for a little bit.
Oh God. Oh. Oh my outfit.
Alright, I think we're gonna go ahead and brush this stuff down with some of this butter sauce. You wanna do this, baby girl?
I will definitely whatever. Oh.
Alright.
Good. Very warm. Now my arm is
It is warm, ain't it?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's not warm.
A little more brushing down.
Being so stuff it's actually hot, not warm. If it was warm, probably want to cook the steaks fast.
Hey, I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
We got these fine looking ribeyes we seasoned up. I want you to take and throw these things on the grill right there in the center.
Okay.
Step over here.
Little messing.
Yep. Put that one right beside it. Yeah, right there. Good job.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's
Let them things go. They're probably going to go for about 4 minutes on each side. Get a nice medium rare is what we're going for.
Yeah, we love pink. Okay, now we're going to butter the steak.
Yeah, we're going to put some butter on these things. Butter and garlic. We got mixed up here.
Yeah, we got like different stuff mixed into one. So, like,
Tell you
ta-da!
what,
Delicious.
this makes these steaks something delicious.
Yes. When you put that stuff on them, mwah, they're delicious.
Now we just, as you can probably tell, it's dark outside. We just got home from work not that long ago. This is just us cooking,
Yeah.
as we normally do every day. Now we're gonna try to have some fun with this channel.
We just want to have fun, and you know, we just like having fun all the time. So, like, me and my dad, he and I like it, but he likes to play around with me, pick me up, throw me, not throw me, but like sing me around, and I can go upside down on him and stuff. I like it.
Yeah, we like having fun around here.
Yeah, we have a huge living room.
Let that sit on there, we'll flip them steaks over and we'll butter the other side in a minute. Have me flip the steaks?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Alright, let's flip them.
Which one you gonna go after?
I think I'm gonna go after that.
That one? Alright, we'll take that thing right there and flip it around.
Oh.
We're gonna flip the goodness.
There.
Alright.
Now that's good.
Oh yeah.
I always pull my scrunchie up here because I
We'll
don't
flip
want
that one right there too.
like anything on it. My only scrunchie.
We're gonna butter
As
this
long
side.
I just kind of like got to give back. But I will find it and give it back to her. I will find it. I don't know where it is. In my room somewhere.
We're gonna stick some good butter on it.
Yeah. Delicious butter.
Makes it good, don't it?
Yes, it's delicious.
We gotta flip all the goodness.
My favorite part's the fat, as you know it.
Oh yeah?
Dad, you know that.
I know that.
Yes, you know that.
Know that.
You know that. You know that. You know that. Why am I doing
Butter
it
down,
when
too. Oh yeah. I think that's all of it that's flipped good, ain't it?
Yeah.
And we got one more thing to flip good. Say hi.
Hi. Oh my God.
Alright, I think we're going to pull these things up now. They've been on here long enough. Been on here for a total of about 10, 11 minutes. Good hot fire. They ain't got to be on here too long for what we want.
Yeah. We like a very good pink.
Yeah, those are good. Them look good. Man, this asparagus.
Oh yeah. Don't
All
forget
right.
the asparagus.
Bring it down here for just a second. Right on top of the hot stuff.
Yeah. Asparagus is very good, but not raw. I do not like it raw. It is good raw. I like it cooked. It is cooked. Very, very, very cooked.
Red don't really care for it. Me and her mama really like the tips of these things.
I love you.
A little on the toasty side. Just throw them down here right next to the fire for just a second. It'll toast them
really
tips real good.
I really don't care for the tips.
And they're good to us. It don't take but a second. That's probably long enough.
Yeah. What it tastes like? Done. Like, I don't even know if y'all heard that, but I smacked and made noise. It's like done. You know, like 5-second roll, it's done. Drop something like 5-second roll, pick it up and it's fine. Fine. The food is fine. It's 5-second roll. I do it all the time. I don't know how, but I know.
There we go. We're going to set this stuff on the table and we'll show you what we got. Alright, here we are. Let's see what we got. These things are rested good now.
Yeah. I'm good.
Let's
5 to
take
10 minutes.
let's take a cut and see what we're looking like here.
Let's see what deliciousness that we have created.
Oh yeah.
Now that right there is good. This is the one I'm gonna be eating. Oh yes, that's. Mwah.
Went a little past medium rare, but they're good steak right there. Let's cut us a piece and try it real quick.
Don't forget to cut meat.
How about you take that one right there?
That's very good.
Is that good?
Yes.
That's good.
It is very juicy.
Give me that piece right there.
But it doesn't have too much seasoning or too much butter.
That's good. That might not be right, but that's what we like.
That right there.
I'll make one of these two.
Yeah, so.
Right.
Everyone besides our
We're
mom.
gonna make these sides up, make some plates. We're gonna sit down, say a blessing, and we're gonna eat. Anything you like to say to them before we sign off?
For how long?
You want to tell them to like and subscribe? You said you wanted to tell them that while I eat a piece of asparagus. Go ahead.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell and turn on notifications.
We're gonna eat. Y'all have a good one.